Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create an auto reply on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, you have to simply go ahead, first access your app store, go to search bar and type in Meta Business Suite. You have to simply search that up and you have to simply install this particular app. Once you're done, tap on this open option, and once you open it up, it will simply ask you to continue with your ID. You have to simply tap on continue. It won't ask any other informations. Now right afterwards, you're gonna find your pages information. Likewise, right over here, if you want to simply like to add that, all you have to do is tap on this more option in the bottom right, tap on this option of now settings, and now you will find this option of automations in the bottom below the calls. Tap on it. Now you can see instant reply on top. Go ahead, tap on it again, and now you will be able to find this already added, by default added message. If you want to edit it, you can simply tap on this particular icon and simply write down any message. Once you're done, tap on the save option on top, and you will be able to save that new message of yours. And you simply have to turn this on, and you can see platform would be Messenger. Whenever somebody texts you on this ID of yours in the Messenger, it will automatically reply with this message right over there. Right, so that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.